Today as a family we are going to on a beautiful track. Okay. The scenery is absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like this. Going on a family hike in the amazing greenery, and I've never seen anything like this. The sounds of the birds are beautiful, and everything's just amazing here. Families hiking off about in front of me. Well, that's okay, because I love this by myself, listening to the sounds by myself. People say, look up, but I say, look around you, everything's there. Today, me and my family are going on a hike, a bushwalk around this beautiful, amazing greenery place. You never know what animals you could find here. The birds, I don't know. It's beautiful. Going along this beautiful track and scenery is amazing. I love it here. Everything is perfect. I love it. We've got a beautiful bridge and everything, I guess. My favourite thing about bushwalking is listening to the birds. Like, you never hear these in town, right? I love everything about like the sound, and it's peaceful. Some people it's hard to get peace in their house. For others it's easy. Having some me time is really just quite fun. Till next time. The greenery is absolutely amazing here. Beautiful noises of the birds. Let's ask my dad what he thinks. Do you think the sound and place is amazing?
I think it's absolutely beautiful, and the clear running water So nice.
It is.